Do you spend your day worrying about things you cannot change, about the economy, about what your boss thinks, about things that haven't even happened yet? If so, you are experiencing anxiety. But I am going to tell you something you might not have heard before. Anxiety isn't just a mental problem, it's an energy leak. Your ego is overloaded, trying to control the entire universe, and this creates a massive vibrational blockage that prevents peace and keeps you from manifesting what you truly desire. Today, we're going to dive deep into the wisdom of the great Roman emperor and philosopher, Marcus Aurelius, and uncover the dichotomy of control, arguably the most powerful philosophical principle for managing your energy and reclaiming your life. By the end of this video, you will understand the crystal clear difference between what is truly yours and what belongs to the universe. You'll learn how to focus your energy on your single, real source of power to attract profound peace and abundance. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus, who greatly influenced Marcus Aurelius, gave us the map. He taught that life is divided into two distinct boxes. Imagine them in your mind right now. Box number 1 is your circle of control. This is where your soul resides. This is where 100% of your power lies. What's in this box? Your judgments, your choices, your intentions, and the quality of your actions. This is your domain. It's yours, and it is non-negotiable. Everything else in the universe falls into box number 2, the circle of concern. This is the playground of the ego. Here, you'll find everything that is completely outside of your power: the weather, the traffic, the opinions of other people, the past, and crucially, the future outcome of anything you do. So, what's the spiritual connection here? When you spend your precious energy focused on box number 2, the external world, it's like trying to fill a bucket with a massive hole in it. You feel your vital energy draining away. That feeling, that constant hum of dread and powerlessness, is what we call anxiety. Your ego becomes addicted to the impossible task of controlling the uncontrollable. But here's the secret, the simple truth that can set you free. If it is not within your power, it does not deserve your vital energy. Let's make this practical. Say you have a huge job interview coming up. That interview is an external event. Worrying obsessively about whether you'll get hired is a complete waste of your energy. It's trying to control box number 2. Your only responsibility, your true power, lies in the internal. It's in preparing with total intention, researching the company, practicing your answers, and showing up with full presence and confidence. The outcome, the hiring decision itself, is the universe's responsibility, not yours. Your job is to play your part flawlessly. The rest is not your concern. To destroy this energy leak and recharge your personal frequency, we need a clear, actionable, 3-step practice. This is the practice of sovereignty. Step 1 is to acknowledge the leak. This requires deep listening to yourself. The very next time you feel that familiar spike of anxiety, frustration, or anger, just stop. Pause for a moment. Ask yourself, either aloud or in your mind, this powerful question: is this under my control, or is this outside of my control? This single question is your key. It's the password that silences the frantic chatter of the ego. It forces you to categorize the problem and see it for what it is. Step 2 is the surrender. This is your moment of energy release. If the answer to your question is, this is outside my control, for example, your plane is delayed, someone was rude to you, or it's raining on your wedding day, you must immediately withdraw your energy from it. Consciously pull your attention back. Use the Stoic power phrase, and I mean really feel it. It is what it is. I surrender this to the flow of the universe. Now, surrender is not resignation. It's not giving up. It is the conscious, powerful action of reclaiming your vital energy for things that actually matter. You are choosing not to leak power into a situation you can't change. You are choosing to protect your inner peace. It's an act of profound self-respect. Finally, step 3 is aligned action. What if the answer to your question is, this is under my control? For instance, you realize you're anxious because you haven't studied for a test, or you haven't had that difficult conversation you need to have. In this case, don't worry, act. This is where your power truly shines. Focus 100% of your energy on the quality of your intention and your presence in the action itself, not on the future result. When you take action with this kind of total alignment, with this full commitment to the process, manifestation, the desired outcome, often happens on its own. You've done your part, you've operated within your circle of power, and that sends a clear, powerful signal to the universe. This is what I call the magic circle of peace. The ultimate secret to manifesting peace, joy, and abundance is not to control the world, but to control the quality of your energy within your own circle of power. When you stop fighting against what the universe has already decided, all those external things in box number 2, you clean your vibrational channel. You stop sending out signals of frantic desperation and fear. Instead, you send out a pure, high frequency of sovereignty, trust, and self-possession. And that is precisely what the universe reflects back to you. Remember this, your soul, your true self, can only operate in its sovereignty. In box number 1, your ego, however, lives in the illusion of control, constantly meddling in box number 2. The choice of where you focus your energy is the fundamental difference between a life of chronic anxiety and a life of deep, unshakable peace. So now, I invite you to test the power of this ancient wisdom for yourself. Here is your practical challenge. For the next 24 hours, I want you to be a vigilant guardian of your energy. Every single time anxiety, worry, or frustration hits, I want you to stop and say aloud, "My judgment is mine. The rest belongs to the universe." And then just observe where your energy goes when you release that burden. Observe the feeling of calm that returns. If you're ready to stop wasting your energy and start focusing on your real power, on what truly matters, then please subscribe to the channel for more wisdom like this. And I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me, what is one thing from your box 2 that you are consciously surrendering today? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.